How many Pokemon that I actually caught? Yeah, I caught you, I remember. Geico I caught. Yeah, Tina, I remember you from the cave and the future. Don't know why it's all been cut.
I can also do some stuff.
Don't feel your knowledge, yes.